Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino, putting out a video on Bitcoin and Ethereum this is Saturday because it's moving. So you see drifted sideways. This is the levels from the prior video, about 11,245, rejected multiple times there, finally get through it, retest this support, move up through our significant level. So right now, that was the next pausing point. And we pretty much came up there and closed on it right now. So with a spike up to about 11,900. So right now above there, 12,121. Once I can update, I'm going to bump it up to here right now. So here's the levels I'll be using. 12,130, not 12,121, and 12,498, so 12,500 are the next major levels. First major area of support I'm going to be watching for on any pullback is about 11,560, and then below that we have this prior resistance with the rising rotation zone about 11,300. By the time it pulls back, probably be about 11,350. So those are the key levels we're watching on the 4-hour. On the daily, you see pulling away more rapidly from the rotation zone. Very overbought, but again, it can keep going higher. Just pay attention. I don't think do we have a divergence on the 4-hour? Let's see. No divergence yet. So I'm going to be watching for 4-hour divergence setups just to alert me that we could be getting ripe for a pullback. Major support based off the daily is 10,962. That's all the levels you really need to know probably. I doubt we'll drop to 10,205, but that would be the next major support if something happened. It couldn't drop suddenly, and that's also this prior little resistance area with the bottom of the daily rotation zone. Let's switch over to Ethereum. All right. So this really on the move here. Just make sure I bring this to the front. So as I drag it up, there we go. Remember, if this keeps marching higher, you're going to have to update the retracement levels because I can't put out a video that quickly. All right, you can see how nicely these levels worked. So we drifted sideways, bottom rotation zone, rotating up, 342.52. So what we had, 342.40. Right there, coming back. So this is the concept with the rising rotation zone and retesting prior resistance becoming support. Moving back up, pausing just in our cluster area. So we had this little cluster area in there, centered around right around 358. Now moving up and just spiking through our 389.99 level all the way up to 394. So those are all the major levels at this point. Now we don't have an official pausing bar yet. I'm just going to put this out there. I'll put out another video tomorrow afternoon with the updates going into the busier time of crypto trading. Right now, this is getting very extended. We may get a pause here. We may not. You're going to have to adjust the levels. It probably won't be that major unless it really rockets the upside. But the first key area of support is all the way back at about 365 and then back down to 345. So that's pretty far away, 345. Then we have about 331. And then I'd start watching about the 25% retracement at about 317. You can see how much this is pulling away. Let me jump back to the 4-hour. No divergence setup there. No reversal setup. So again, I'll be watching that. But if it keeps marching higher, 414. Then we have about 433 cluster area, 432 to 435, 433, then 470. Those are all your next levels. I'll talk to everyone tomorrow for another crypto update. Bye for now.